Good afternoon. My name is Cordi Craig, and I'm the restoration coordinator at the South Yuba River Citizens League. Due to time restraints, instead of talking about all the projects I did this year, I'm only going to focus on my favorite project, which was greenhouse gas sampling in the Tahoe National Forest. Greenhouse gas sampling was part of a larger meadow ecosystems project involving several partners, including American Rivers, Cal Trout, California Department of Fish and Wildlife, Tahoe National Forest, Stillwater Sciences, and several others. The meadows work that we are conducting in the Tahoe National Forest is comprehensive and includes soil sampling, groundwater well installation, soil moisture monitoring, above-ground biomass sampling, and greenhouse gas sampling, which is the team that I led. Healthy meadows are incredibly important ecosystems and act as natural sponges. They capture and store snowmelt in the soil, and during the hot summer months, will slowly release it for downstream users. Healthy meadows have the potential to sequester atmospheric carbon and store it as soil carbon. Thus, restoring mountain meadows has the potential to increase carbon sequestration, creating a region-wide carbon sink that will help offset CO2 emissions from fossil fuel use. Meadow restoration has the potential to fill an important niche in the carbon market and possibly slow the effects of climate change. Greenhouse gas sampling consists of several things. First, you need a meadow. Circle has 3 meadows, Loney, Deer, and Upper Loney Meadow. The Forest Service will be restoring Loney and Deer meadows in the next year, and we are capturing pre-restoration measurements of how much carbon, methane, and nitrous oxide is offset by these meadows. The year after restoration, we will be conducting post-restoration measurements to help determine if healthier meadow ecosystems sequester more carbon. Second, you need a strong team, which I was very fortunate to have, and included Mo and Bonnie, both SNAP members. Third, in order to collect the samples, we use hypodermic needles to pull carbon, methane, and nitrous oxide from these chambers and capture them in vials to be analyzed at a lab. Capturing these gases allows us to learn more about how, when, and which gases are offset throughout time and space before restoration is conducted. I led a field crew every 3 weeks to sample Loney Meadow, Deer Meadow, and later on Upper Loney. Even in winter, when the meadows were underneath 6 feet of snow, we were able to successfully conduct 3 snow sampling events where a small team and an incredibly generous snowcat owner ventured up the mountains. We dug 6-foot deep holes in order to gain access to the soil and attain the samples that we needed. As the snow thawed, we sampled on a more regular basis, and we continue to go up every 3 weeks to finish capturing pre-restoration data. Overall, my year at Circle has been an incredible experience. I'm so grateful for the skills that I've gained, but even more so for the amazing people that have helped me along the way.